Hi everyone. Hey, the last couple shows we did were about creating plant patterns. So I thought this show I would just go through some plant patterns I've used over the last 2 or 3 years in designs I've done. So see what you think, and remember, it's all about growth rate and growth habit from youth to maturity when you put your patterns together. So we'll talk to you soon about doing a few more patterns, and take care of yourselves. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. Well, here's our 2 questions. Ready? How do you encourage yourself to continuously discover what makes something beautiful? Our second question, does a fluid combination of plants that you can create excite you about the possibilities of healthy dynamics that would take place in your garden?